Yo, this YouTuber says you can earn over $500 a day with this AI side hustle. Now, is this legit or welcome to Team Go Mode? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I recently seen a video from a pretty popular YouTuber in the make money online niche, and in the video he says, hey, I'm about to teach you a method that could make you $500 a day, and it's only gonna take you 10 minutes a day using this AI technology. All right, now let's go over the strategy that he teaches in the video. All right, so you're gonna need three things. The first thing you need is a Facebook fan page. Now, most people have fan pages, whatever, but if you don't, they're very, very easy to create. He also said that if you have to, you could use your own profile page. Now, the second thing you're gonna need is this AI tool called nvideo.io. All right, now this tool can be used free, and they do have a paid option. And the third thing you're gonna need is a product. All right, you need something to sell. So pretty much to get started with this method, you need to figure out what niche that you want to be in, right? So most common niches are the health, wealth, and relationships. But in the video, he kind of goes outside of that and he uses the survivor niche, which I guess is a fairly big niche. Also, he states in the video, like, he don't even really know that much about this niche, right? So goes to show you that you can pretty much get into any niche and not have to even be interested in that niche to make this strategy work. All right, so you got a niche. The next thing you need to do is create some videos that you're gonna be posting on Facebook. So now it's time to create your video, and this is where nvideo.io comes into play. All right, so once you go into your account, you're basically just going to give nvideo a prompt to create a video for you. Now, this is the power of this software. You literally tell it what kind of video you want to create, and it creates it with images, voiceover, music, all of that, right? Just in minutes, you can get a video created for you. Like, it's that easy. The next thing you're going to need is a product to sell. All right. So in the video, he talks about how he gets private label rights products. He gave a couple websites where you can actually, get these ebooks that you can pay for and then resell on Facebook. But he didn't really say this, but you actually could do the same thing by just becoming an affiliate of a product on, say, ClickBank or Digistore24, something like that. But in the video, he basically talked about using private label rights ebooks. So at this point, you got your video made and you got a product to sell. Now all you need to do is post that video to your Facebook fan page, and you want to do that in the reel section, all right, REEL, right? You want to post these short videos, basically just like TikTok videos, right? You want to paste these vertical videos in your reel section. Now, whenever you post these videos, you want to give it a nice little description, put some hashtags in there, and then the key is put a link to your ebook or your affiliate program, whatever, as the first comment of your reel video. That's the key, right? This is how you make money, by putting that link in your comment section, and then whenever somebody click on it, they have the opportunity to buy your ebook or whatever it is that you're selling. Now, of course, you can't just expect to post one of these type videos and think all this money gonna start rolling in. I mean, it could happen, but in most cases, you're gonna have to post a lot of videos for you to really start seeing a lot of money. Now, of course, this does all depend on whatever it is you're selling, like how much are you making off of the ebook, or how much is your commission for whatever the program you're promoting. Because obviously you can make a lot more money if you are selling something that you get $5 for, or selling something that you get $100 for. So that's something that, you got to decide. But here's the deal. Can you really make $500 a day with this method? In my opinion, believe it or not, it's possible. Now, I say this because of what I just said a second ago. It really does depend on what you're promoting, and it depends on how much content you're putting out. Because if you're not putting out a lot of videos and you're not getting a lot of views, you're probably not going to make that much money. But if you can find that sweet spot, find that right niche that gets a lot of traffic, and you're constantly busting out these videos, then yeah, why? I mean, you could potentially make $500. Now, I do believe it will take a real effort, because a lot of times people see these videos, right? They watch these videos and it just looks so easy. It's like, oh man, just create a video in 2 seconds and then put it up on Facebook Reels, throw a link, and I'm good to go. But it's like, you got to understand, you still have to take the time to create these videos, and you still got to upload them. So you're going to have to put some effort in. And this is where I can see where some people will fall off of this method. I see a lot of people trying this method, right? They'll try it, and I think on average they'll probably put up like 10 videos, right? Then after 10 videos, if they don't get no commission or see no money, I can see them easily quitting and calling it a scam and it didn't work and blah, blah, blah. Now, there is a lot of bullshit going around on YouTube, methods that will not work at all. But this one actually is legit. It actually could work, but it will take some work. Now, if you want to see what I'm doing to bring in some extra cash every single month, you want to click that first link in the description.